Walk into almost any newly remodeled home, apartment, or rental unit today, and you'll spot something small but telling on the wall. Not the big, circular, futuristic thermostats that dominated early smart home marketing. Not the oversized touchscreen panels that once tried to double as home hubs. Instead, a tiny, low-profile rectangle, sometimes barely thicker than a credit card. Sleek, compact, simple. These compact smart thermostats are quietly becoming the new standard in US homes, and they represent a major shift in how Americans think about energy, design, and home technology. For years, the race in smart thermostats was all about features and flash. Companies pushed large displays, glowing rings, animated controls, and bold aesthetics. Smart thermostats were meant to stand out, almost like a piece of tech art mounted on your wall. But homeowners have changed. Today's consumers want smart home devices that work with their homes, not overshadow them. And that desire for quieter, more minimal design is one of the biggest forces behind this shift. Compact smart thermostats blend into walls, match decor, and don't call attention to themselves. They're designed to disappear visually while still delivering all the intelligence and automation users expect. Americans are embracing this minimalism, especially as interior design trends move toward cleaner, lighter, more streamlined spaces. But design is only one part of the story. The real acceleration in compact thermostats is happening because US homeowners are adopting energy savings as a real priority. And smaller, smarter thermostats make optimization easier than ever. Over the last few years, heating and cooling costs have climbed sharply. Utility bills are now one of the fastest rising household expenses in many states. Homeowners want more control, more efficiency, and more automation. Compact thermostats deliver that in a streamlined package. They use sensors, learning algorithms, occupancy detection, and remote control to reduce energy waste automatically. And because these devices focus more on intelligence than on oversized hardware, manufacturers have minimized displays and maximized internal efficiency. Another big factor behind the rise of compact thermostats is compatibility. Early smart thermostats often struggled with older HVAC systems or needed special wiring. But newer, smaller models are designed to work with a much wider range of homes, including apartments, older houses, small condos, and rental units that don't have advanced wiring. By slimming down and simplifying, manufacturers can make installation easier, reduce wiring complexity, and fit more wall types and layouts. This matters especially in cities with large numbers of older buildings. Compact thermostats have smaller footprints, easier mounting, and fewer installation constraints. They're becoming the go-to choice for landlords, builders, and property management companies who want smart capabilities without the headache of complex retrofits. The rental market plays a massive role too. Property owners want reliable, tamper-resistant, energy-efficient thermostats at scale. The compact form factor is appealing because it's harder for renters to damage or disassemble. It discourages constant adjustment. It keeps energy costs stable. It blends with any decor. It's affordable compared to premium, oversized smart thermostats. This has led to bulk adoption in newly built apartments and renovated multifamily units. Compact smart thermostats are also gaining momentum because consumers want devices that focus on the core function, controlling temperature intelligently without unnecessary distractions. As smart home ecosystems expand, people prefer controlling temperature from their phones, voice assistants, dashboard apps, or automation routines. They don't need a huge wall display anymore. The thermostat itself is becoming more like an access point than a control center. Manufacturers have responded by shrinking the hardware and shifting more functionality to mobile apps and smart home platforms. This allows thermostats to remain small while still offering advanced features like geofencing, learning schedules, peak usage optimization, time of use energy adjustments, integration with solar systems, real-time HVAC diagnostics. Another surprising driver of this trend is maintenance and durability. Smaller thermostats with simpler displays have fewer points of failure. No large touchscreens to crack. No bright panels that dim over time. No complicated moving parts. This increases lifespan and reduces service calls, especially important for builders and property managers. The rise of compact thermostats also reflects a broader smart home evolution. People no longer want giant, wall-mounted control hubs. They prefer distributed invisible intelligence. Sensors in rooms, apps on phones, automations that run themselves. The thermostat is becoming part of the background rather than the centerpiece, and compact models perfectly match that direction. Energy incentives are amplifying this trend even more. Many utility companies now offer rebates for upgrading to energy-efficient smart thermostats. Compact models often qualify because they use the latest efficiency tech and are easier to approve across varied home systems. Lower prices plus rebates equals explosive adoption. We're even seeing compact thermostats enter the starter home and budget renovation markets. They cost less than premium versions, install faster, and still deliver huge energy savings. For first-time buyers or DIY renovators, they're a no-brainer upgrade. Looking ahead, the compact thermostat trend will likely accelerate. Manufacturers are working on even thinner models, versions with modular sensors, and thermostats that completely ditch screens for LED indicators or haptic touch surfaces. The future thermostat may be barely noticeable, yet deeply intelligent. We may also see multi-room sensor kits bundled with compact bases, thermostats that auto-adjust based on weather data, deeper integrations with EV charging and solar panels, ultra-low power models designed for sustainability, customizable cover plates to match interior design trends. But the core reason compact smart thermostats are becoming the new standard is surprisingly simple. They match the modern American home. Small, efficient, clean, unobtrusive, and smart enough to save money quietly in the background. Homeowners don't want big tech on the wall anymore. They want smart comfort, delivered quietly, intelligently, and with as little visual bulk as possible.